To demonstrate further how the graph editor is working, I've created another ball on top of John. So John is my first ball on the bottom. Now he was animated in the last session. Now I duplicated John and made Jim my ball on top. So you can see I have selected both John and Jim in graph editor, and their lines are shown here. So what I can do is I can select on Translate Z, so I'm going to show you how they look when they're animated. So I've actually changed John now. Jim is rolling normally in an organic way, but John has a very slow start but goes very, very fast at the end. So how that should look in Graph Editor, if I click on Jim's Translate Z and hit F, here is his natural curve. So you can see very slow beginning, faster in the middle, slow end. Now if I go down, I'm going to hold down Command and I'm going to select John's Translate Z as well. There. So you can see where I inserted the key before, and I've pulled that key up along here, so you have a very slow beginning, and here at the end where the line is very steep, that's where he's going very fast. So that's this movement happening over here. So I think this is where you can really see the difference. So very slow Translate Z. And if I click, I'm going to just pause that, and if I select my key, and if I move that around, I'm just holding the middle mouse button here and I'm moving that around, and you can see how that's affected. Now it can get quite confusing when you have a lot of things animated in the graph. So what I've done is I've actually changed the color of some of these lines. You can see that Jim's Translate Z is orange and John's Translate Z is pink, like this. So I can actually, that's really useful, and I'll show you how to change that. That's Translate Z, so I've clicked on the line and now I go Edit and I go Change Color Curve, and I can change to any color I like. So that's a useful tool when you're animating lots of things and you have lots of lines and it gets very confusing.